To pronounce properly the vowel used to alphabet. Huwag kayong magpasosyal kasi mali yun. Okay. There is no way for you to pronounce the show. Otherwise, mali. Okay. Let's keep ourselves busy. Okay. Say it again. Okay, yun yung pronunciation na kapag ang vowel is being followed by a consonant Give me an example. Apple, very good. So kapag sinabi mong apple, mali. Adam. That's Adam. Okay, another example. Followed by consonant. Alfred, very good. Okay, now when the vowel is being followed by a consonant, hindi na ang pronunciation. Magiging A na siya. Okay? Example. Vowel followed by a vowel. Give me an example. Airplane, very good. So how do you pronounce it? Airplane. A na siya, hindi na siya A. Diba? So yun yung policy. Good. Kasi L ang kasunod. Aeronautic, very good. Ano ba? So, there they are. Pakila na tayo. Pangalawa na. Okay, aerobic. Okay, this is how the game will play. Okay, lahat kasali at kung sino naman magkakamali, i-penalize natin. Ibig sabihin, ang penalty, he or she will go into dance here in front. A song number. Okay, kasama yung mga professors nyo, yung mga teachers niyo. Okay, Sister Al at saka Teacher si Ma'am Christine. Tama ba? Michelle? Michelle. Okay, class? The song you're going to sing is Bahay Kubo. Hindi ko na nakakalam ng katabahay. Asan ka ba, please? Okay, let's exception, You are going to sing Bahay Kubo and then I'm going to tell you later the modification or the alteration. Okay? Sing me first the original lyrics with the original version or the original tune, melody. 1, 2, 3, sing. Louder. Do not hurry up. Slow down. Unison. Louder. Wait, hanggang patani lang because I don't want to prolong your agony as we modify the words, okay? This is the modification. We are going to scratch out all the vowels and substitute them with the vowel A only. You get that? Maintaining the same melody, maintaining the same tune, you're going to sing Bahay Kubo with vowel A only, okay? The word Bahay will become, it will remain the same. While the word Kubo will become, say that loudly, Kaba. Everybody say Kaba. The entire word, Bahay Kaba. Now you're going to sing Bahay Kubo with vowel A only. 1, 2, 3, sing. Do not cover your mouth, please. Sing. Sabay-sabay. Sandali. Wait. Sabay-sabay lang tayo. Lagyan yun ang beat. Unison dapat sabay-sabay. Paano pa kaya sa kanila? para katanood ng concert, or rather ng choral group na hindi sabay-sabay, okay? 1, 2, 3. Ano yan? Yung normal beat lang, okay? Do not hurry up. 1, 2, 3, sing. Daming mali daming mali. Okay. Nahihirapan, ano? Sige, forgiven muna. Kasi, i-rehearse natin yung pagkanta. One more time, okay? Makakain natin sa makakasana yung dila ninyo, saka yung bibig, okay? Nahihirapan kayo, pero you can do it as you sing again and again. Okay, for the last time. 1, 2, 3, sing.
Ay, araw ng daan ay tara-tara sa kakatalak, yagaralyan at talak,
Kapatana lang. Saan magkakamali? Sarila? Tao? Kaya bataw parehas. Okay. Now, let me ask you. Sino ang nagkamali? Meron ba tayong student dito na aamin?
Sinungaling kayo
Sabi ni Jeremiah, si Smith, Gonzales daw ang nagkamali. Tanungin lang si Gonzales kung aamin ka. Some part, that means that is an acknowledgement that you commit. So, si Carillas. Okay, are we going to penalize her? Or we will forgive her?
Penalize. Tasayo si Mo.
She will sing or she will dance?
Dan!
Pareho kayo. Sige. Okay, yung kulay puti part na ng laharian, okay? Medyo kulay puti. Ito yung time, dinadaanan o tumapang ang mouse, kinatulong. Oo. Okay, everybody.